We are now going to look at the web page for Technology Support Services, or TSS. Sometimes you will hear that referred to in other businesses or other places as the IT department, but our Technology Support Services contains our IT department. So if you, hopefully you saw me do that, if you go to Student Services at the top of the Wilson Community College homepage, and then you scroll down, this is the page for the Technology Support Services. And it tells you on this page, if you look over to the left, that the Technology Support Services is located in Building A in room 106. And four of the things that it provides are, if you have problems with Moodle, one of the most common questions they get is, I can't log into Moodle. My login doesn't work. And you contact them and they're able to solve the problem, within minutes. And then there's Office 365, which is our email. It also contains OneDrive, where you can save your files, and it contains a calendar. It's not just email, there's other things. And then there's Student Planning, where you go to plan your classes. This one is extremely important to become familiar with. And then there is wireless access if you're having trouble with getting the Wi-Fi. So logging into all four of these places that our campus uses, to Moodle, to Office 365/email, that's what you'll use for your email, to Student Planning to plan your courses, and Web Advisor. These are all four places that your login is the exact same. So your username, and if you're here, you already know this, but your username is your first name initial, your last name initial, and the last four digits of your student ID. And then your password, until you change it, is the uppercase first letter of your last name, lowercase second letter of your last name, and your 6-digit birth date. And here's an example. If a person's name is John Doe and he is born on May the 24th, 1978, and his ID is 01234556, then his username is JD, little JD 3456, and his password is big D, little O 052478. And his email address would be the same thing as his username, at my.wilsoncc.edu. Some important links is that there is 24/7 technology online support, so you can always click this if you're having any problems when you're working from home, which we're all doing a lot of that right now. And there's the college email portal. There's a link to Moodle. There's a password reset portal. You do need to reset your password, your original password, so that no one can guess what it is. And then here is Student Planning. So there are also some instructions for you on how to use these helpful guides. Are really, really good. How to use your Office 365, using Skype for business, if you want a video conference with an instructor or another student, or anyone really. Your email quick start guide, and then this one I really like, Student Planning quick start guide. And if you go here, there's 5 different pages, but it shows you exactly what to do to plan your courses out for the semester. Okay, so it explains everything to you. And as far as getting in touch with Technology Support Services, well, one other thing. Okay, this is the Office 365 Training Center. You can click on that and it will give you the steps for how you use all the components. But it allows you to use Outlook, which is your email, OneDrive to save your files. You can save any kind of files pretty much, as long as they're in a current format. And then here's your Microsoft Word, your Excel spreadsheet, your PowerPoint, if you ever have to do a PowerPoint for a class, and OneNote you can use to take notes on your computer if you would like. And here is some frequently reported issues, and somewhere it says how to get in touch with, here it is. Okay, so the email is support@wilsoncc.edu, and the chat for 24/7 access to chat with someone, link is here, and then there's the phone number.